Did you know something from outside our solar system just passed by us? Scientists call it 3-Eye Atlas, and it is very special.
Most space objects we see come from our own solar system.
But 3-Eye Atlas comes from another star system. Its unusual path shows it is just visiting, not staying. That tells scientists it was not born near our sun. It behaves differently from comets we usually see. Objects like this carry clues from distant star systems.
They help scientists study how other systems are formed.
This visitor may never come near Earth again. Yet, it reminds us how connected the universe truly is. Space is full of surprises. Ready to explore the next one with me?